Drug resistance is an important and undesirable factor in antimicrobial agents. Drug resistance means a bacteria undergoes certain changes due to which antimicrobial agents becomes ineffective against this bacteria. Then this develop resistance is transferred from one microorganism to another through mainly three processes, out of which first one is conjugation. In conjugation, here we can see there are two microorganisms. Currently they are away from each other. As soon as a physical contact is made between them, then this develop resistance is transferred from one microorganism to another. Then next one is transduction. In transduction, bacteriophage an important role in transfer of resistance. Here bacteriophage has transfer resistance from one microbes to another. Then last one is transformation. In transformation, resistance is acquired by microorganism from the environment. Then next one is mechanism of drug resistance. They are mainly of five types. Out of which first one is decrease affinity for target. This type of mechanism is mainly shown by penicillin, then methicillin, and vancomycin. Here in first figure we can see drug molecule easily binds to the target on the present on cell membrane, but in second case we can see there is changes in target, so drug molecule cannot binds to that target. Then next one is alternative metabolic pathway. In bacteria, PABA and pteridine combines with each other to form dihydroteric acid in the presence of dihydroterate synthesis enzyme. Then this dihydroteric acid is converted to dihydrofolic acid in the presence of dihydrofolate synthase. Then this dihydrofolic acid is converted to tetrahydrofolic acid in the presence of dihydrofolate reductase. Here sulfonamides show the action on dihydroterate synthase, while another drug that is trimethoprim shows action on dihydrofolate reductase. So mainly this type of mechanism of drug resistance is shown by sulfonamide and trimethoprim, as well as cotrimoxazole. Then third one is that is inactivating enzyme. Means in this mechanism, enzyme present in a bacteria uh, either breaks our drug molecule and makes it inactive, or it may cause certain changes in drug molecule. Here we can see here is a bacterial cell. Then in yellow color here is our drug molecule which enters to bacterial cell, and here we can see enzyme that is in arrow shape, which cleaves the drug molecule, and our drug molecule become ineffective. Under this inactivating enzyme mechanism, there are mainly three class, that is aminoglycosides, beta lactams, and chloroamphenicol, that is ABC. A for aminoglycosides, B for beta lactams, and C for chloramphenicol. Then fourth one is decrease permeability. Here we can see in first picture there is a target present on drug molecule. Our target is present on cell membrane. In red color there is our drug molecule which easily binds to membrane, and due to which our drug molecule easily enters into the cell. While in second case there is loss of specific channel which is responsible to carry drug molecule from outside to inside, so our drug molecule cannot enters the bacterial cell. Then last one is that is efflux pump. Efflux means even though our drug molecule enters into bacterial cell, due to certain mechanism, it is thrown out of the cell in like this way. Here is bacterial cell and red color is our drug molecule. Here in cylindrical form we have represented it as efflux pump. As soon as this mechanism start, our drug molecule is thrown out of the bacterial cell, due to which it is unable to show action. And drugs which undergo this type of mechanisms are tetracycline, erythromycin and fluoroquinolones. Next concept is cross resistance, which means even though resistance is developed only in one drug of that particular class, but that resistance develops into all drugs of that class, due to which the all members of that particular class becomes ineffective against that particular bacteria.